we get in the mail? Tackett's House of Horsepower. Let's see what we got. Hey John, we appreciate the support. Enjoy the stickers. We look forward to getting yours. I sent him some of our stickers, so Tackett's House of Horsepower sent us some. Let's see what they look like. Oh, look at that. That's nice. I think these are, you can barely see them there. Transfers for the windows. And here's another sticker. Look at that. Well, thanks a lot, guys. Be sure to check out their channel. I'm going to run a couple clips of what their channel's all about. So check that out. Make sure you subscribe to Tackett's House of Horsepower on YouTube.
Welcome to Tackett's House of Horsepower. We're the Tacketts. I'm Steve, and this is my beautiful wife, Sarah.
Hi.
And I have lots to do this weekend. The weather is perfect, so of course, I'm gonna get some stuff done on that little 63. But first,
We have to go on another adventure.
we have an adventure. You're coming with us.